Hey guys, welcome back to Tezhost. Are you ready to establish your online presence? Securing the perfect domain name is the first step. Today, we'll guide you through searching and for registering a domain with Tezhost, your trusted partner in web hosting and domain services. Step 1. Visit the Tezhost website. Navigate to Tezhost website in your web browser. Step 2. Scroll down the homepage until you find the domain search tool. Step 3. Type your desired domain name into the search bar. Step 4. Click on the search button to check if the domain name is available. Step 5. View the search results to see if your desired domain name is available. Step 6. If the domain name is available, click on the Add to Cart button. Step 7. Customize your domain registration by selecting options such as domain privacy and registration duration. Step 8. Proceed to checkout, fill in your contact and payment information and complete the purchase. Step 9. Access your Tezhost account dashboard to manage your newly registered domain, including renewals and DNS settings. Congratulations! You've successfully searched for and registered your domain with Tezhost. Welcome to the world of limitless possibilities. If you find this information useful, please share this video and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.